Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And the question that was asked to me is, if someone shares a file with me, a Google Doc with me, can I get to the original folder that document is in? So let me show you how that works. But before I do, hit that subscribe button because I have a whole lot more videos coming on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. So right here you can see Burris in my business, my testing account, you can see that Burris Consulting shared a document with me. So when they shared that document with me, here's the document right here, and I'm gonna go look at that document. So here's the document that he shared with me, and you can see he shared it directly with me, so I have the ability to edit this document any way I want. You know, I can do whatever I want, you know, however I want to edit it. I can add text, I can delete text, whatever I want to do, and I have full access to the document because he shared it directly with me for editing purposes. However, from this document, I do not have the ability from this document to go back to the folder. I can add a shortcut to my drive. I can see the status, but I can't get to the folder directly from here. And I can't move this document because I don't own the document. It's only been shared with me. Let me show you another scenario. Here's the other scenario. This document is shared, the same document is shared publicly. So publicly, I have the ability to edit it and view it, but I do not have the ability to change it in any way at all because the document is shared for viewing only publicly. So I don't even know where it came from. I don't have the ability to save it. I don't have the ability to print it. I have only the ability to view it now. So you can see I have no ability to do anything other than view this document. You can see right here, there's no edit, there's no print, there's no share. I can't do anything with it for the most part other than view it. I can't even, watch this, if I copy that, options to download, print, and copy have been disabled. So let me show you what happens. If I copy this whole document, Control C, and I go somewhere and I try to paste it, look what happens. It only pastes the link to that document. I can't even copy text out of it using standard copy functionality of Control A, Control C, and then Control V. It just gives me, all it gives me is a link back to this original document. So again, all I have the ability to do is see it, and I can't see where it came from. However, let me show you another variation. If the document was shared with me because a folder was shared with me, so now if I go look at my shared with me, I can see that there's the folder that was shared with me. So now I can get into that folder and I can see all of the documents that are in that folder, including this one right here that I've been working on and everything in here. So I can move stuff around. I can open stuff up. I can delete documents in this folder. I can create a new document. Can I create a new document? New doc. In this folder, anything I want. Let me just create one real quick. Call it wild testing, blah, blah, blah. Go back to Google Docs, close that. Go back to Google Docs, and you can see wild testing. There it is right there at the bottom. So I can do anything in this folder I want to do, except for I cannot move stuff into another folder unless it's a subfolder of this folder. I can't take this document here and move it to another folder outside of this temp folder. So the bottom line, to answer your question, can I access the parent folder from a shared document? The answer is no. You can only access the parent folder if that folder was shared directly with you as an individual, not publicly or not by sharing a single document. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace, Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.